All right, it says determine which numbered regions make up the indicated set. So we are taking X, which is this entire circle, and Y, which is this circle, and they want the union of the two. The union is everything in X and everything in Y all together. So you're looking at all of this, all of that together. So I would just, it says select all the regions contained in the given set. So region 3 is in there, region 2, region 4. The only region that wasn't was region 1, and that's the part around the outside. Okay, next. All right, describe the set by referring to the numbered regions. All right, so we're looking at set W, which is all of this, and set Y, which is this circle, and we are looking for the intersection. That would be just where they intersect, and that is, it's already in purple. Here, I'll highlight it and outline it in purple. So these two regions right here is where the pink and the blue overlap. It says down here, what are the numbers for the regions described in the set? Type a whole number, use a comma to separate your answers. In that picture, it's region 5, comma, and 6. This one's region, let me erase it real quick. You can see it. This one's region 5, and this one's region 6. And I'll do another one. Okay, describe this region. All right. We are going to start with the complement of W. Now remember, the complement is not inside W, it's outside W. So we are looking at all of this. This is the complement of W. Everything outside circle W. Okay. And then we're looking for Y, and I don't think yellow is going to be a good color to use. How about dark blue, and I'm going to shade it. Okay, so W is going to be, not W, Y. Here's circle Y. All right, so we're looking at this circle. Just going to shade it with lines. And then we want the complement of X. Okay, so X is this circle, but we don't want inside, we want outside. So it's going to look like a little sunshine here. I'm having some fun now. Okay, and this one wants to know, how about gray? Will gray work? I don't know, we'll see. We're looking for where the purple, the pink, and the blue all overlap because we're intersecting. So purple, pink, and blue all overlapping is right here, that region. And that is labeled, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is region 8. And again, it just says what is or are the numbers. So in this thing here, I'll just type in 8. It's just that one region where all 3 colors overlap. I hope you can see that. And I'm going to end this video here.